Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, TheKeyisME, and I am back again with another video. In this video, I'm showing you a cute, affordable wig that you can pretty much wear anywhere, especially for any occasion. So this wig is from Jumwigs. I received a unit in 12 inches. What I love so much about it is that it came very nicely constructed. Of course, they gave you a wig cap as well as an elastic band that you can attached to your wig, and they gave you some extra wig combs. If something were to happen to yours, you can go ahead and attach those other ones on. So as you can see, this wig does come with, I believe it's 4 combs, 2 in the front and 1 in the back, as well as an elastic band around. This is a lace front, and I believe they only give you about 3 inches of parting space, so it's not a lot of parting space, but I did go ahead and create an illusion that I'm gonna show you in the video. The hair is a synthetic blend, but to me it's a nice synthetic blend because it definitely did better than what I was expecting it to do. So as you can see here, my hair is braided straight back. I'm just going to go ahead and put the wig cap on that they gave me. I don't like how light it is, so I did go in with a darker one and put it on top. So as you can see, this lace doesn't match my skin complexion, so I did go in with my foundation, and that's what you see me showing you there. And once I did that, it definitely blended in seamlessly, as you can see. I did experience a little bit of shedding, but I think it's because when I cut the lace, I cut a little bit too much in the front and it started shedding. Right here, I'm just going to take some of my powder foundation, and I'm just going to open up the parting area. Now you can do this if you don't want to tweeze, and I prefer this method. After that, to me, the hair said 12 inches. I thought it was a little bit too long, so I went ahead and I cut it. I mean, it's up to you. You can rock it like this. You just got to go in and bump the ends, because with it coming in the packaging, as you can see, the ends were a little bit messed up. But I went ahead and I chopped it up. And to me, I like it so much better short. Then, of course, after that, I just went ahead with my flat iron and just bumped the ends a little bit, as well as tried to flatten the top. Now, that's one thing that I couldn't do all the way. As you can see, maybe, I don't know if you'll notice it, but I noticed it, that there's like a little hump at the top. It's not because of my braids. I'm not sure, the hair just wasn't laying the right way in that area. But to me, this wig right now is going for $50, and I have a coupon code that I'm going to leave down in the description box. So this is one of those wigs where it's an affordable price. It's definitely a synthetic human hair blend, and I definitely think you should always have one of these units in your closet. It's a go-to. It's a staple bob. You can pretty much wear it anywhere, especially to work. I know a lot of us want to get up and go when it comes to work. So this is one of those wigs where you can literally get up and go. Like, you can tell with the movement, this wig has so much body to it, and I'm absolutely in love with it. So I'm going to put all of the information down in the description box. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video.